Starting out, that front knee is bent directly over that front ankle. Your spine is slightly angled forward, but you're in a neutral spine position and you're really wrapping your abs tight around your spine. Hips and shoulders stay square. Front foot really presses into the floor. Exhale as you bend the knee, and you can drag those elbows in and then reach them away. Exhale in and out. My shoulder blades stay reaching down. My eyes stay reaching slightly forward. My neck is staying long. Crown of the head is staying high. I'm trying to keep my shoulders back, and I'm really working hard to keep my hips square. That extending leg, don't let that hip reach up to the ceiling. Keep reaching it towards the bottom big toe. Adding the arms in either to hold and balance or bend the elbows as you bend that back leg will make this more challenging. Exhale as you bend, inhale as you reach. Keep that spine neutral, those abs tight, and your chest wide.